Hey, I'm Isabelle DeVries and I'm so excited to be teaming up with TEMPTU to bring you my Essentials Airbrushing Kit. This kit includes everything you need to get started, whether you're a beginner or a professional. You also get the option of the original black Air or the new 24-karat gold-plated Air. Keep watching to see how I created this look using my Essentials kit. I'm going to start by prepping the face with the TEMPTU Brilliant Glow Primer. I'm just going to clip my Pro Pod onto my gold Air to get started. Today I'll be using my favourite SB foundation in number 3. I'm now going to use a little bit of the matte bronzer and the medium contour to sculpt the face. I love with the Pro Pods that I can mix colours, so I'll be using Guava and Nectar to create the perfect blush colour. If you know me, you know I love highlight, and today I'm going to be using one of my favourite colours called Pink Pearl. So I've just finished the look with a little bit of mascara and lip gloss. So even though this look is finished, I now want to show you how versatile an airbrush is and how quickly and easily I can change this look. Now using these colours from my adjusters and my Vivid Bright starter set, I'm going to create a bold coloured eye. I'm just going to use a cotton pad to mask under the eye, and I'm just going to spray directly onto the lid in small circular motions. I've just added a little bit of white and white shimmer to the blue that's already in my airbrush, and I'm just going to put my airbrush on a lower setting to spray the inside of the eye. To add a bit more colour to the look, I'm just using the blush colour Coral on the lips and cheeks. Lips together. And that's it. Here's the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and thanks so much for watching.